To change your username on Snapchat using an Android device, follow these easy steps. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Now tap on username. Snapchat will show your current username and underneath it, there will be an option that says change username. Tap on it. Snapchat will warn you that you can only change your username once per year. And once changed, your old username can't be used again or by anyone else. If you're okay with that, tap continue. Then enter your new username if it's available. Snapchat will accept it. Enter your password to confirm the change. That's it. Your Snapchat username has now been updated. Remember, you can't change it again for another 12 months, so choose wisely.